I'm here today at Life Care Center of Hixson with Johnny Serino, Executive Director of this great center. Thanks for coming on the show, Johnny.
Thank you for having me.
So falls are the most common cause of injury, especially in seniors. What can we do to prevent falls?
A couple things. Obviously, exercise. Protecting your eye vision, or strengthening your eye vision. Exercising and things. But I think the most important one probably would be medication management. Blood pressure is kind of a more concerning or more growing topic as you increase. So, when you sit down or lay down for too long and get up, that blood pressure changes dramatically. So, managing those medications is pretty crucial as you age, of course. But
What about exercise? How can exercise prevent falls?
exercise and diet, and kind of just increasing your environment to be more safe to you are also things that we can kind of focus on. But the most common thing, is use it or lose it. With muscles,
Right.
you have atrophy if you don't use it. So using it as often as you can, and just kind of practicing, a safe environment.
Right.
So
Well, let's talk about the home. How can we make the home safer to
yeah,
prevent falls?
a couple things, of course, are obviously the biggest thing, especially in skilled nursing, are rugs. Are the big no.
Oh, wow.
Any tripping hazard, we want to remove automatically because it's going to lead to a fall
Right.
pretty quickly if you don't remove those. So being proactive in removing any slipping hazards, any fall hazards, are pretty kind of the first and fast thing. But as we age, balance kind of is lost. So finding things that we can balance on, make sure we have sturdy things in our house that we can kind of grab.
Right.
Biggest things are shower or handrails in the bathroom, and
Right.
then handrails up and down the stairs.
Maybe nonstick mats in the tub?
Yep.
That's so interesting. What is the most common injury resulting from a fall?
Hip fractures, actually. Yeah, I think women are more prone to hip fractures, and I work in skilled nursing, so a lot of our patients that come to us, are, I don't want to say all of them, but a good majority of them come to us due to a fall. The most common one, of course, is hips. Hip fractures. That's the most common. Obviously, you have some knee replacements and shoulder replacements, but the most common one is hip fractures, just because as you get older, as you increase in age, obviously your calcium, vitamin levels are depleted. Strength, if you're not exercising often, you get a little bit weaker. So maybe you try to go a little do a little more than you wanted to, and you fall, break a hip or fracture a hip, go to the hospital, and you end up at one of our centers to get stronger.
Right, a great place,
Yeah.
but let's hope that doesn't happen.
Correct.
So how can a senior get evaluated for a fall risk?
Well, there's a couple of different things. You can obviously go to your PCP, primary care provider, and ask for an evaluation, and they could, either send you to outpatient clinic for a therapist, or you could attend, our fall festival here in September 27th, which is from
Okay.
4 to 7 p.m., which we'll have a lot of great information regarding, fall prevention, which the title of our fall festival that you can attend is "Don't Fall into Fall,"
I love
as
that.
we kind of that first week or that week of the festival is the week that we're focusing on fall prevention. So kind of play on words in the title there. But we'll have therapists there that you can get evaluated. We'll have food, snow cones, popcorn, cotton candy, and little fun events for kids or grandkids that you might want to bring.
And
So
what location?
Life Care Center of Hixson,
Great.
of course.
That's right here.
Yes,
And you
yes.
said September 27th, 4 to 7 p.m.
4 to 7 p.m. Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. But Johnny, thank you. Your facility is beautiful,
Thank
very
you.
impressive. So
Thank you.
we hope people don't, end up here, but should they? It seems like a wonderful, warm, beautifully decorated. Everyone is so kind to your place to come. So check out Life Care Center of Hixson on the web. And also, they have a really cool event coming up. Don't fall into fall. We love fall, but we don't want to fall into fall. September 27th, 4 to 7 p.m. at Life Care Center of Hixson in Hixson, Tennessee. Thanks again for coming on, Johnny.
Thank you for having me.